The volume method predicts exact brick counts for any project. But how does the math actually work? Let's say you're building a double skin wall that's 10 meters long, 2 meters high, and 20 centimeters thick. First, find the total physical space that needs filling. Just multiply length, height, and thickness to get 4 cubic meters. But you can't just divide that by a standard UK brick. Why? Because every brick is wrapped in a 10 millimeter mortar joint. This significantly changes the math. Calculate the volume of this single brick plus mortar unit, which gives you exactly 0.0019 cubic meters. Now, divide your massive total wall volume by this tiny fraction. This reveals you need 2,105 base bricks. But real-world construction involves unavoidable breakages. You also have to cut pieces to fit the structure. To cover this, add a standard 10% wastage buffer. So, to complete that 10-meter fencing wall, you now know to order exactly 2,317 bricks to finish the job without running short.